Sastra Robotics builds and delivers robotic solutions for human-like automated functional testing of real physical devices. Since 2013, their products are being used by OEMs/Tier 1s and service providers to expedite test cycles and reduce the time to market for their products.
Manufacturing an intelligent robotic platform, Coco. Coco is a quality assurance companion. This is a robotic platform which can train to mimic human repetitive tasks with a basic intelligence. So currently, people like different kind of OEMs and system integrators are using our platform to tackle the jobs which is impossible for a human hand to do, especially in the quality assurance.
The relentless pursuit of perfection and assurance of quality has garnered them the customer base, which includes the world's most reputed enterprises. They make it possible to conduct rigorous testing beyond human capacity and capability.
We have a robot inside, which is currently a single stylus end effector is fixed, which is replicating a single human finger. So you can see the stylus tip is acting as a single finger and moving and pressing some positions, and the pressure and the force we can control. Then we can take the quantified data from the robot, how much pressure is applying and what kind of action it is doing, and one camera on the top of the system will tell you what exactly happening on the device without altering the system. Like we can even take the feedback from the device itself. Using the combination of the vision system, we can say, like, after clicking one button, how much time does it take to pop up the next window, or are they missing any window, or is there any flickering effect is there. That kind of different experience and usability or the endurance test can be done using this.
Such exhaustive and extensive testing ensures the supreme quality of their customers' products and empowers them to retain their market leadership in this ever more competitive world.
One of the important thing, the ability to replicate human kind of touch and feel, make us unique from the existing field itself, which means we were able to replicate human kind of touches with the controlled pressure which is there everywhere, but the amount of quantitative information in terms of temperature or the vibration from the surface we touch physically is making us unique. And another thing, in terms of integration, the time which is very less, which is easy to integrate the existing Coco to any existing testing framework out there in the world. That is again one of our.
Sastra has its headquarters located in Cochin, India.
Three areas which we directly focus. One is avionics, automotive, and medical. So all these areas, if we make an error in this product, that is directly going to harm a human. So when it comes to the industrial connected device, especially in the automotive sector, few of our customers directly using our platform to understand how durable is their software hardware combination and what will be the lifetime in order to complete the millions of cycles of test, both in software as well as hardware level to identify what is the system dependency and how as a user they are feeling, like a experience test and endurance test, how reliable in different geographical location, in different environment condition. All those parameters we are helping them in terms of quantify the data and collecting and giving to the test engineer, so the engineers can easily understand what exactly happening inside their device and they can take a easy decision based on the quantified.
Today, they are one among the top 50 in the world, as per Silicon Valley's evaluation of technology startups in 2017 and 2019.
Currently we deployed areas where directly human can go and sit there and do the job, but it is not possible to do them with continuously like 3 months or 6 months without any breaking. So in future what we understand, especially in the space and underwater. There are some areas where we can't send a human. Even if we send a human, the bigger glove on their hand or the situation or atmospheric pressure is not gonna give us like complete freedom to tackle the situation. So like India already mentioned 2013 they are going to implement International Space Station. So all this space exploration, the maintenance will be one of the key challenge which we would like to address. So our robotic arm, not this one, the next R&D which we are doing in-house, which is a replication of human hand as such with a touch and feel functionality that can definitely handle the situation either remotely or by adding some existing intelligence. We proved that that's the reason why we signed an MOU with the.
They develop and deliver scalable robotic solutions for applications that have not been automated previously.
In crisp manner, Lockheed we all know they are building a lot of fighter aircraft. So when it comes to the aviation, including the fighter aircraft as well as the commercial aircraft, there are complex system inside the cockpit to control the flights. So all this system in the early days it was completely manual by rotating knobs and toggle switch and all. Now they are slowly integrating touchscreens into the system. So completely testing all this touchscreen interface with a couple of complex different kind of switches is beyond a human hand capacity. So specifically we are directly helping in terms of including F-21. There are some particular aircraft interface we can help them in terms of assuring the quality of the way a pilot is going to interact with the fighter jet. So our mission will be building a separate cockpit, the aviation model, and give them in order to tackle or complete the existing cockpit information.
That takes them one step closer to their dream. They believe that the coexistence of humans and intelligent machines are the next steps of evolution.